12th Science, Subject Mathematics and Statistics, Part 2nd, Chapter number 2nd, Applications of Derivative. Dear students, we are going to study examples on approximations. Examples. Example number 8. Find the approximate value of sine of 30 degree 30 minute. Given that 1 degree equal to 0.0175 radian and cos of 30 degree equal to 0.866. Solution. Let f of x. Here is a sine of number 30 degree 30 minutes. Hence, take the function f of x equal to sine of x. Differentiate with respect to x. That is its derivative f dash of x. Derivative of sine x is cos x. Write the number 30 degree 30 minute is equal to 30 degree plus 30 minute. Conversion of minute into degree, therefore divide 30 minute divided by 60, then we get 1 divided by 2 degree. Hence 30 degree plus 30 minute equal to 30 degree plus 1 divided by 2 degree. We convert 30 minutes into degrees. 30 degree in radian, that is pi by 6 plus. We know that given 1 degree equal to 0.0175 radian. Putting these values divided by 2 equal to pi by 6 plus. Simplifying we get 0.00875 denoted by equation 2nd. Here the number 30 degree 30 minutes. Here A is 30 degree in radian, that is pi by 6. H is 1 by 2 degree. Simplifying we get H equal to 0.00875. For x equal to A equal to pi by 6, from 1 we get f of A, that is f of pi by 6, equal to f of x is sin x, pi by 6. F of pi by 6, then we get sin pi by 6. Sin pi by 6 means sin 30 degree. Value of sin 30 is 1 by 2 is equal to 0.5. For x equal to A equal to pi by 6, from equation 2nd, value of its derivative f dash of x is cos x. Hence f dash of A, f dash of pi by 6 equal to cos of pi by 6. Cos pi by 6 means cos 30 degree. We have to given that cos 30 degree is 0.866. Then by approximation formula, we have f of A plus h is equal to f of A plus h into f dash of A. Therefore, f of, put the value of A and h. Pi by 6 plus 0.00875 radian is equal to f of pi by 6 plus h 0.00875 into f dash of pi by 6. Putting the values A and h, we find the value of f of pi by 6 and f dash pi by 6. Put this value, f of pi by 6 is 0.5 plus here is 0.00875 and value of f dash of pi by 6 is 0.866. Here f of x, that is A plus h. We know that A plus h is 30 degree 30 minutes. From 3 and 4, f of 30 degree 30 minutes equal to 0.4 plus. Multiplying we get 0.075775. Hence, f of 30 degree 30 minutes, that is sine of 30 degree 30 minutes, is equal to, taking addition we get 0.575775. That is the value of sine of 30 degree 30 minute. Example number 9. Find the approximation values of sine 61 degree. Given that 1 degree equal to 0.0175 radian and root 3 is 1.732. Solution. Let f of x again. Here is sine of number, then take the function f of x is sin x. Its derivative of dash of x, d by dx of sin x. Derivative of sin x is cos x. Here is 61 degree, split as 60 plus 1 degree. 60 degree plus 1 degree. Hence, A equal to 60 degree in radian pi by 3. H equal to 1 degree. We know that 1 degree is 0.0175 radian. Find the value of f of pi by 3 and f dash of pi by 3. Therefore, f of A equal to f of pi by 3 equal to sine of pi by 3. F of x is sine x, therefore f of pi by 3 is sine pi by 3. Sine pi by 3 means 60 degree. Value of sine 60 is root 3 divided by 2. Value of root 3 is 1.732 divided by 2. Simplifying, we get 0.866. Also find f dash of pi by 3. F dash of A equal to f dash of pi by 3 is A equal to pi by 3 equal to. Here is f dash of x is cos x, hence cos pi by 3. Cos of 60 degree equal to 1 divided by 2 equal to 0.5. The formula for approximation is f of A plus h is equal to f of A plus h into f dash of A. F of A plus h is 61 degree. Converting A and h, the value of A is pi by 3 and h is 0.0175 degree. Here is convert in radian, 60 degree and 1 degree. Therefore, f of 61 degree, as f of x is sin x, therefore f of 61 degree is sin 61 degree is equal to, putting the value of A, that is pi by 3, and h in the formula of approximation, we get f of pi by 3 plus 0.0175 into f dash of pi by 3. We know that f of pi by 3 is 0.866 plus 0.175. Value of f dash of pi by 3 is 0.5 is equal to 0.866 plus multiplying, we get 0.00870. Taking addition, we get 0.8747. Hence, sine of 60 degree is equal to, that is the value of approximation is 0.8747. Example number 10. Find the approximation value of sine of 29 degree 30 minutes. Given that 1 degree equal to 0.0175 radian and root 3 is 1.732. Solution. F of x is sin x. Here is sine of number. Take the function f of x is sin x. Its derivative f dash of x. Derivative of sin x is cos x. A equal to 30 degree, that is pi by 6 in radian. H. Here is 29 degree 30 minutes. For simplification, we get h is minus 30 minutes. Minus. Convert minute into degree. Therefore, 30 divided by 60, that is 1 divided by 2 degree. Minus 1 by 2. The value of 1 degree is 0.0175. Multiplying, we get minus 0.00875. Then f of A. A is pi by 6. Here f of x is sin x. Therefore, f of pi by 6 is sin pi by 6. Sin pi by 6 means 30 degrees. Sin 30 degrees 1 by 2 equal to 0.5. F dash of A. F dash of pi by 6. Here is f dash of x is cos x. Hence, f dash of pi by 6 equal to cos pi by 6. The value of cos pi by 6 is root 3 divided by 2. Value of root 3 is 1.732 divided by 2. Simplifying, we get 0.866. The formula for approximation is f of A plus h is equal to f of A plus h into f dash of A. A plus h is 29 degree 30 minutes. Hence, sin 29 degree 30 minutes equal to f of 29 degree 30 minutes equal to f of. Convert into radians, we get pi by 6 minus 0.00875. Therefore, use the formula approximation. F of pi by 6 minus 0.00875 into f dash of pi by 6. Use this formula. Putting the values, f of pi by 6 is 0.5 minus 0.00875. F dash of pi by 6 is 0.866. As multiplying, we get 0.0075775. Take the subtraction, then we get 0.4924. Hence the approximation value of sine of 29 degree 30 minutes is equal to 0.4924. Example number 11. Find the approximation value of cos of 60 degree 30 minutes. Given that 1 degree equal to 0.0175 radian and root 3 equal to 1.732. Solution. It is cos of number, hence we take the function f of x equal to cos x. Then its derivative f dash of x, that is d by dx of cos x. Derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Here is 60 degree 30 minutes. Take a equal to 60 degree, that is pi by 3 radian, and h is 30 minutes. Convert into radian, convert into degrees, that is 1 divided by 2 degree. Value of 1 degree is 0.0175, hence 1 by 2 into 0.0175 radians. Simplifying, we get 0.00875 radian. Then f of a equal to f of pi by 3 equal to cos pi by 3. F of x is cos x, hence f of pi by 3 is cos pi by 3. Value of cos pi by 3 equal to 1 by 2 equal to 0.5. Then f dash of a equal to f dash of x equal to minus sin x. Hence f dash of sin pi by 3 equal to minus sin pi by 3 minus. Value of sin pi by 3 is root 3 divided by 2 equal to minus. Value of root 3 is 1.732 divided by 2. Simplifying, we get 0.866. The formula for approximation is f of a plus h is equal to f of a plus h into f dash of a. We have to find cos of 60 degree 30 minutes, that is in function f of 60 degree 30 minutes equal to f of, converting radians, pi by 3 plus 0.00875, that is a plus h. Hence f of pi by 3 plus 0.00875 into f dash of pi by 3. Formula approximation. The value of f of pi by 3, here we have to find 0.5, and value of f dash of pi by 3 is 0.8660 equal to 0.5. Here is multiplication is 0.0075775. Subtracting, we get 0.4924225. Hence the value of the approximation value of cos of 60 degree 30 minutes equal to 0.4924. Example number 12. Find the approximation value of tan of 45 degree 40 minutes given that 1 degree equal to 0.0175 radian. Solution. Let f of x equal to tan x. Then f dash of x, d by dx of tan x. Derivative of tan x is sec square x. The number 45 degree 40 minutes. Then a equal to 45 degree. Convert into radian, that is pi by 4 radian. H is 40 minutes. Convert into degree, 40 divided by 60. Also we know that 1 degree equal to 0.0175 radian. Therefore, conversion into radian multiply by 0.0175. Simplifying, we get 0.01167 radian. Then f of a is equal to f of pi by 4. We know that f of x equal to tan x, hence f of pi by 4 equal to tan pi by 4 equal to 1. Then f dash of a, that is f dash of pi by 4. F dash of x is sec square x, hence f dash of pi by 4 equal to sec square pi by 4 equal to root 2 square equal to 2. The formula for approximation is f of a plus h is equal to f of a plus h into f dash of a. Therefore, tan of 45 degree 40 minutes equal to f of 45 degree 40 minutes is equal to, in radians, f of pi by 4 plus 0.01167, value of a and h in radian. In formula approximation, f of pi by 4 is pi by 4 plus h is 0.01167 into f dash of pi by 4. Putting the values, f of pi by 4 is 1 plus 0.01167 into f dash of pi by 4. The value of f dash of pi by 4 is 2 equal to 1 plus. Here is multiplication is 0.02334 and adding we get 1.02334. Hence, the approximation value of tan of 45 degree 40 minute is equal to 1.02334. Thank you.